Chickens in the trash cans. Chickens in a trash can. Chickens in a trash can. A big white dog. A big white dog. In the trash can. In the trash can. Chasing the chickens. Chasing the chickens. All day long. All day long. Chickens. Chickens. In trash cans. In trash cans. 420 rows of trash cans with chickens. They wake up early, they wake up late, and they are neat. And they are neat. Chickens in the trash can. Chickens in the trash can. And a rooster or two. And a rooster or two. All day long. All day long. Chickens! Chickens! In trash cans! In trash cans! 420 rows of trash cans with chickens! Yeah! Yeah! Director's cut. I'm Jenny Alker, and I helped write this song and I sang this song. Hard rock.
Hi, I'm Bryn Yonker, and I helped write this song too. And hard rock. My name is Kennedy Johnson, and I was the musician. Not really.
He was Pepperjack and he's the pimple.